Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can use Forest app. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have logged into your account and have created an account that will be easier in order to track all of your productivity. So just like this here, you can see I have already created my account. So the first thing that you'll see is this. So if you simply tap on this tree icon right here, you can now change the tree that you want. So in here, you can see these are all of the premium tree that you can unlock by simply buying their subscription. And in here, you can also see these trees which do not need any kind of subscription, but you need to unlock it. So you need to generate more of your trees. You need to grow more of your trees in order to unlock them. So in here, you can also see the option of tags in here. So if you want to focus more on your sport, you can do that. Or if you want to focus on your study, you can choose the tag accordingly. So right now here you can see I have chosen study for now. And just like this, here currently I am on the stopwatch. So if I simply tap on it and get to the main page, here you can also see these icons. If you simply tap on it, here you can see currently I am on the stopwatch option and my deep focus is turned on. So what this basically does is if you enable this deep focus, all of the applications that you have set the time limit to on your phone will all be blocked while this focus mode is on. So if I simply turn off this option, and now none of the applications will be blocked. And if I simply tap on this timer option just like this, now my stopwatch will be shifted to the timer, right? So what this basically does is generate this timer that you can see right here. You can simply adjust it to however you want. So for example, if I decrease it, I can get up to 70 minutes. And if I decrease it more, I can get to 40 to 30 minutes. And if I want to increase it, I can do that accordingly. So after setting all of the things that you want, you can simply tap on the option plant just like this. And now your focus mode has successfully been turned on, right? So in here, you can also get this particular music option that you can see right here. If you simply tap on it, the music will be turned on, which will help you more focus on the things that you are focusing currently. So you can also tap on the option give up, but if you do that, you have to remember that your plant will die. And like that, you won't be able to grow forest with the plant that you have planted, right? So over time, every successful session will add a tree and then it will help you grow a forest out of it. And yeah, this is how you can use the forest application. Just like this, you'll be able to plant one after another tree with every of your session. And like that, you'll be able to generate a whole forest. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.